In this video, we will learn how to convert a given infix expression to its postfix expression. In the last two videos, I have explained about how to check whether the inputted character is alphanumeric or not, and we have also explained how to write a function that will return the priority of different operators. I strongly recommend you should watch those videos before watching this video. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you that I have already written the program. I have checked after running it. Now I am going to explain how to convert an infix expression to the postfix expression with this code. Okay, so first of all, let us see here. So as I have already explained that we need two header file. One header file is stdio.h, which is required for all program, and we need another header file that is called ctype.h. So this two header file ctype.h is required because you are going to use a function or predefined function which is called isAlphaNum. Okay, isAlphaNum. Okay, so this isAlphaNum function's definition is present in ctype.h. That is why we have included this, right? Then you have to declare a stack which is of size 50. So let me draw here, which will be used for explanation. I'm going to use this stack for explanation. So let's say this is of 50 size. Okay, so this is your stack 50, stack of 50. Fine. Then we have to declare a top variable, which is initially top becomes -1. Then you have to declare the push function. So simple push function, it will take a character. Whenever we call this push function, we will input a character. It may be an operator or operand, maybe it may be a or it may be plus, whatever. So that push operator will, a push operation will take any of the character from the user, and it will push the character into this stack here. Okay, then you have to write the pop operation. So in pop operation, what you are going to do is with pop operation you will pop the element from the stack, and you can reduce the top value after popping it. So you have to check whether a top is -1 or not. Why you are checking? If it is -1, then there will be no character in the stack. Okay, so this is the simple pop operation that we have already discussed in the stack class. Okay, fine. Then here you can see that, let me erase this part so it will, right? Okay, so this is the priority function that we have already discussed in the last video. So you just watch that part. So this priority, let me explain quickly. So the priority will show you what is the priority of a particular operator. Like if x is left bracket, then priority will be 0. If x is 0 plus or minus, the priority will be 1. If x is star and divide, then priority will be 2, and if it is to the power operation, that is the return value will be 3. So that is priority is 3. Okay, so no more explanation needed for this. Then what I'm doing is we are declaring two strings. One is infix and one is postfix. So infix, I'll use infix. Okay. So we will use infix to store the infix string which is inputted by the user, and I will use postfix to store the postfix string after converting the infix to postfix. Okay, so let me draw this 2 here. That will help me to explain the. So there are 50 characters, so I'm just doing a dot to showing there are many characters you can input into it. 1 2, right? So this is your infix, this one is your infix, and this one is your postfix. So user will input the infix string and I'll store it here, and after conversion the answer will be stored it in postfix. Okay, so this two line will do the same. Then we have to declare I value as 0. So because I want that I should point to the postfix string, whenever any character will be inputted, then the I value will be increased. Okay, so let me put 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then we have declared two variables. One is called symbol. So symbol is a pointer which is going to point to the infix character, and p will be used for popping any element from the stack and put it in p. Okay, so let us go on. So first of all, we have to ask the user to input a infix expression. Let's say user have inputted a star b plus c. Okay, so this is the string the user have inputted. He's saying that just convert this infix to postfix. So how it is going to be stored in infix? It will be stored something like this: bracket a star b plus c, then closing bracket, then a backslash 0 here. Okay, so backslash 0 will showing the end of the character, end of the infix string. So that is by default. We are not going to input it. We will input this one, and automatically the backslash 0 will be attached to the end of the string to show the end character. Okay, that's all. Then we have to first push the first character, which is nothing but the 0th character. So 0th character is left bracket. So we have to push the left bracket to the stack. So put that left bracket here. So when we push the left bracket, what will happen? The top will point to this location, right? So this is 0 1 2 3 and all. Okay, top is pointing to this. Then we have to write the symbol. So symbol is equal pointing to the first character of the infix string. So symbol will point from here. So this is symbol. Okay, now what I am going to do is, with the help of while loop, I will execute, means I will read one character from the infix and I will put it in postfix, or if it is an operand, we will put it in postfix. If it is an operator, we have to push it into the stack. So let us go on. So if you remember the algorithm, if you read the algorithm properly, then if you remember it, then you know that there are different type of symbols came into picture while you are converting an infix to postfix. So it can be operand, it can be a left bracket, it can be a right bracket, it can be any operator like plus, minus, divide, star, or to the power. Okay, so we have to write code for every individual character that we are getting during the conversion. Okay. So first of all, what I am going to do is I have to first check whether it is alphanumeric or not. So if it is alphanumeric, then that means if it is an operand I am talking about. So if it is an operand, then we have to push it in the we have to put it in the postfix string. So this part will do the same. First of all, I am checking is alphanumeric, that I have already discussed in the previous class. So if the symbol is a alphanumeric character, what I am going to do is I have to put that symbol in postfix, right? So let us execute the first one. So a is alphanumeric. So in this case, a is alphanumeric. A is alphanumeric? Yes, it is alphanumeric. That is why we have to put that symbol into postfix of I. So now currently I is pointing to 0, which is initialized as 0. So I is pointing to 0. That is why postfix of 0 is equal to symbol. That means A will come to this place. A is coming to this place, right? So this A has transferred from here. Then I must be increased by 1. So I will point to this place. Now I is pointing to this place at 1. Okay, then this part is completed. Okay, then we will check, because for this particular program A is shifted. So if it is not A, then it may be left bracket. So if it is a left bracket, what I'm going to do is, if it is a left bracket, we have to push it into the stack. And if it is a right bracket, what I'm going to do is, if it is a right bracket, then we have to pop all the element present in the stack until the left bracket arise, and we have to put it in the postfix string. Okay, that part will be done by this part. Okay, so this is about right bracket, this is about left bracket, this is about any alphanumeric character. Hope you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is all. Then finally, if it is, I have already talked about, if it is a symbol, sorry, if it is a alphanumeric character, what to do. Then if it is a left bracket, what to do. If it is a right bracket, what to do. And finally, everything is operator. So if it is an operator, that means if it is operator, what I am going to do is we have to check the priority. So here I have written that code, so which is from here to here. You can see, if any operator is found, what I am going to do is we have to find the priority, which is already written in the written before. This priority function is explaining before the main function. So if the symbol's priority is less than the priority of the stack top, what I will do is I have to pop that character from the uh, from the from the stack and put it in the postfix string. Okay, if the priority is not less than, then we have to push that symbol into the stack. Okay, with this, let us execute this particular expression so that you can easily understand what is going on. Right, so let's begin. Suppose so initially what I have done is, initially we have checked the first symbol we have discussed. So the symbol is pointing to A, that is why I have checked is alphanumeric. So that is found as alphanumeric. That is why what I have done is I have put that A into the postfix string. Now the symbol will point to which location? The symbol will point to the star symbol, because every time we complete the loop, inside the loop, the last line of the loop will be, you can see the last line of the loop is symbol is equal to symbol plus 1. And as it is if else ladder statement, if else ladder, that is why only one condition will be satisfied at once. So first of all, when symbol is pointing to this A, the condition is satisfied here. Okay, so all other is not going to be executed. So symbol will be symbol plus 1. Now symbol is pointing to the next character, which is star. Okay, so let us check it whether this is operator or operand. So is alpha num will show you null means negative value, so that is why this condition becomes false. Now I have to check whether symbol is left bracket, so it is not left bracket, so this part will not execute. Then we'll check symbol is right bracket or not, so it is not right bracket, so it will not execute this part. Then we will come to this place, priority. Okay, so you can see priority of symbol. So what is the priority of symbol? So this is 2, star is 2. Okay, so let me write here 2. Then we have to find the priority of stack top. Now stack top is pointing to this left bracket, so priority of left bracket is that means 0. So 2 is less than equal to 0, condition false. So when it is false, then this line will get executed and the star will be pushed into the stack. Okay, then symbol will point to this place, because symbol is equal to symbol plus 1 will be executed. That is why symbol will point to this place. Now go to the code. So we have to check from here. So this is B. So is B is alphanumeric? Yes. So we have to push it to the stack. So B comes here. Oh, sorry, not there. So B will come here. Right. Now, so then symbol equal to symbol plus 1, which will be something like this. So symbol will point to plus symbol. Okay. So we have to check whether plus is alphanumeric, no, condition false, so this 2 line will not execute. Then plus symbol is a left bracket, no, condition false. Is it right bracket? No, condition false. So we have to come to this place again, that we have to check the priority again. So what is the priority of plus? So priority of plus is 1. So 1 is less than equal to priority of stack top. So currently top must point to this, because so top will point to this. So stack top is star. So star means the priority is 2, so 1 is less than equal to 2, condition satisfied. Then we have to pop the element. Pop means star will be popped, and where it is going to, where it goes to the postfix. So star comes here. Okay, then the loop is not completed yet, that is why the loop will continue, right? So again, so after popping this, so if it is popped out, then top is pointing to this location. Again it will check, stack top is the priority of the symbol is plus symbol is 1, and the priority of left bracket is 0. So 1 is less than equal to 0, condition false. So that is why we have to push the symbol. So what is the value of symbol now? Plus. So plus will be pushed here. So when plus is pushed here, then top will point to the plus operator. Okay, so then this loop will completed, because 1 is not less than 0, so we come out of this loop. Okay, let me erase this part. Then symbol will be symbol plus 1. So now the symbol is going to point the C variable. So when it is C, then which condition is getting satisfied? So if it is C, this part gets satisfied. So that is why C will be pushed into the postfix. So now C comes here. Okay, then all other condition will not execute. Then the symbol will be symbol plus 1. So symbol will be symbol plus 1 means symbol will be pointing to the right bracket. Okay, so it will point to the right bracket. Now we have to check what will happen. So this is alpha norm will be not satisfied. Then symbol is left bracket, no, condition false. Symbol is right bracket, yes. So when symbol is right bracket, what we are going to do is we will pop the first element. So pop means the plus will operator will be popped. So the plus operator will be checked. Is plus operator is not equal to backslash sorry left bracket? Yes, condition satisfied. That is why plus operator will be going to the postfix. So plus operator come here. This is a while loop. So again we have to go. Again we have to pop. So here you can see now when plus operator is popped, the stack the top is pointing to this left bracket. So when you pop it, when you pop the left bracket, then we'll check is it the left bracket is not equal to left bracket, condition becomes false. So when condition becomes false, we come out of this loop. So after coming out of this loop, what will happen? Everything has already been completed, so we will come here. We'll come here, symbol equal to symbol plus 1. So symbol will point to this location. Actually symbol is pointing to this location. Okay, so as it has already been popped out, so top is now becomes -1, right? Then when this condition will be checked while top is not equal to -1, is actually converting top is -1. That is why this condition becomes false. We come out of this loop. So after coming out of this loop, this line gets executed, that is postfix of I equal to \0. So a \0 character will be added to this place, right? Because this infix has already been converted into postfix, then finally this line will execute and the postfix string will be displayed. Okay, so hope you understand the topic here, and what I'm going to do is I will execute this code and show you how it is done. So it is asking the enter the infix character, so I have to write a into b, then plus c, the first expression. So you can see the postfix string is a b star c plus, which is correct. Then again I have to run this code. Let's say a into b minus c, again then plus the bracket d arrow mark e, then divide c, divide let's say f, okay, in bracket close. So you can see the postfix string is this. So you can check it by executing the program. one by one. So let me scroll the program so that you can use it for your writing. So it is started from here. I'm just slowly scrolling so you can use it to write the code. So the entire code is actually of 70 line. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.